Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first tutorial, so today I'm gonna show you how to create this beautiful effect in Adobe Illustrator. So without any further, let's begin. So first you have to choose typing tool, then you type your word, and once you've done that, you can increase size. I'm gonna put 100. For me, I think it's okay. And so then after you center this your word, then you're gonna click on this to align. Then you choose this color picker, then you choose the background color. So in order to make this effect work very well, so and you go to effect and 3D and you choose this one, and as you can see, let me show you more options. And okay, then you're gonna choose right here on top, isometric top, then you change here the number to 256 and 256, and here in the depth you choose 63, then you click OK, and after that you select your word, all of it, and you go to object and expand and appearance, and boom. So and you're gonna choose this one right here, then you start selecting the top one, the top, then you're gonna select it, this one and this one, this one and this one. Let me zoom out. Okay, and this one, hello, IBE. Then you on the shortcut you click Ctrl X to cut. Oh, oops, sorry. If you select the wrong one, that's gonna happen. So you have to make sure this right here, you're gonna select it correctly. Let me do it. Oh, okay, figure it out. And you're gonna select it well like this. Okay, then Ctrl X and then Ctrl Shift V to paste in place, and then you select, you go to object and go to object compound path and choose make, and select all, and go back to object and select creeping mask, and you're gonna click on make. Oh, okay, wait, select all, then go to a creeping mask and make. Boom. This is the effect I was talking about. So if you want, you can change the background or anything, let me show you. Select the rectangle tools. Let me make another layer, put okay, and select it. As you can see, background changed and everything is looking good. I love this one. You can change color to any you want, whatever you want. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more video like this. Sorry about that. For more video like this, so comment, like and share and subscribe. Thank you all.